Hey guys! Welcome to another video of trying candy from different places. So today we went to IKEA, so we're going to be trying some Swedish candy, mostly chocolate, but we also have some cookies here. Yeah.
Okay. I'm excited. I'm just here for the chocolate.
Okay.
The cookies look pretty good too, though.
I know, we do the jelly filled
And
ones.
off camera, we have some cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
IKEA brand, so.
let me unwrap them with my magical powers. Next.
Amazing. Wow.
Wow. That looks great.
Okay.
Your power is amazing.
They're very strong.
So we want to try the cookies first?
Okay.
Or
yeah, we're going
So-
from least sweet to most sweet.
these have 10
Oh,
grams.
I didn't know that.
These have 15, 16, and 20. Okay.
Of
So,
sugar.
Dad. Oh, wait. Wrong side.
Around there.
Okay.
All right.
So these look really good,
Oh
actually.
yeah, there's like kind of like a little creamy center too.
I'm already eating them.
Good job.
Ah.
I'm
Pretty good.
professional.
It has a berry center with a cream outer filling. Nice crispy cookie crunch.
The jam or jelly, whatever it is in the middle, is really thick
Mm-hmm.
and stretchy.
You're stretchy.
It's not like jam or jelly you could have a jar
Yeah,
of
the
all.
back has little hearts on it.
Yeah, it does. It's kind of like a gummy.
Oh, yeah.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
6
Not
out
a
of
huge,
10.
not a huge fan of the jam jelly
Yeah.
consistency.
I
Flavor's good, but the consistency.
think I give it a 6.5.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Alright.
I think I like it a little bit more. Maybe 7.
So, I think this is the
Dark.
dark. Mm-hmm.
You gonna break it? You want me to break it or what?
Sure.
Okay. Yes.
Let me.
All right.
So, guys,
Oh yeah. Oh man.
we're just waiting to eating it.
Already ate it.
It has like
Good
I don't know what
cookie.
this is. Why do we do this?
Because it's the professional way.
It's decent.
haven't tried it yet, but
Not bad. Dark chocolate.
I'm excited for this one. Milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
I give it a 8 out of 10 for dark chocolate.
Mm.
It's pretty surprisingly good. I didn't think it was gonna be that
7.8.
good.
I'm the tough judge.
Yeah, I'd say I'd give it a 7.
All right. Milk. Well, what's the one at the end?
This is also milk.
There's 2 milk.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
this one.
This one just looks better.
That one's chunkier. Thicker.
Yeah.
Thick.
Thick.
Okay.
It's Lindsay thick.
So I'm just gonna have one of these here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. You can grab
Okay.
one if you would like.
We gotta do this weird hand thing.
Yeah. Almost just ate it. It has an M on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Is it an M or a W?
Oh. No, it's an M.
Really? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. That's the brand.
Marabou.
Oh.
Where's the wrapper?
Mm,
Very milky.
yeah. Can't say I'm a fan.
Really?
I give it a 5 out of 10 on the milk chocolate scale. Better than stuff like Hershey's, but no Tony's.
Nothing's Tony.
I give it.
Yeah. It's okay. It's a solid average.
It tastes way better than Hershey's.
I mean, yeah, okay. I say it's a notch above Hershey's.
I'll give it another 7.
Yeah, I'm more of like a dark chocolate person, but for milk chocolate, maybe like 6.5 for me.
Sure, because I'm not even a really dark chocolate person, but
I would say
I like
that was
these
a good
better.
one.
the
Yeah.
dark chocolate is so far the best.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully that one doesn't.
So how is this different? It's just a different shape.
It's
Same
Different
chocolate?
brand.
Oh, different brand.
This is IKEA brand.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, so it looks the same except it's
It's got a
lighter.
leaf on it.
Chocolate fingered.
Oh, look at it, guys. Mmm.
That was really sweet.
It tastes like those crappy chocolate bunnies that they sell at Easter. Yeah. Well, wait. I need another piece.
Same.
Too small.
I think I like them.
I think it's pretty good.
Mm,
I think I like that one better though.
I'd say they're both. They're different flavors, but quality-wise, I say they're on the same.
Another 7. I'm gonna have it.
I don't know. You had 3 pieces of this one. Are you sure it's a 7?
I think it might be an 8.
Are we gonna try the cinnamon rolls now?
Not for me. I will not.
She tried them already. Too sweet, right?
Not good.
I haven't tried them.
I'm gonna go get a cinnamon roll.
Whoa! Alright, guys, I'm back. I got some water. Oh!
I'm back.
I'm back.
How do you do that? So
It's a
magic.
secret. I think I'm gonna have another piece of this like that.
It's very gooey.
We heated it up for a few minutes or a few seconds.
Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. That's good. Try it.
Okay.
Very cinnamony.
Can I try this?
A lot of cinnamon.
It's actually not that good. Again?
Which one? The big one? The
Mhm.
thick one?
I will eat the rest.
I'm gonna have a dark chocolate piece because I think out of everything,
What do you think?
these were the best.
Yeah, those were the best chocolate. I think so. Yeah, I like it.
It's
It is
good.
very. I like that it's very cinnamony.
Yeah.
I love cinnamon.
I'd say it's got a significantly more cinnamon flavor than a normal cinnamon roll would.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd say it's less sweet. You don't really like cinnamon that much, right?
No, I do. I like the cinnamon cereal and cinnamon like churros and stuff. I also like that one.
Yeah, I would say.
But we've only tried like the middle.
That's true.
The outside looks a little dry.
I'll
But
give it a 7.5. Not bad, IKEA. Not bad.
I would say
Only $4
Bad
for
IKEA.
six cinnamon rolls. Tax included.
I'm impressed. I'm
Not
impressed
impressed?
with the Japanese food so far, or the or Swedish food. So
Sorry, Swedes.
we need to keep trying candy.
Fail.
she is a tough critic.
All right, do you want me to zap this out?
Into
Are
my
y'all
belly.
done?
Zap it into my belly.
Okay.
Mm.
Whoa.
Wow. Mm. Woo!
Man.
That was good. My belly is full.
Is that chocolate tongue?
Mhm. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm still not impressed with candy, so there might be a few more parts until we find some good candy.
Quest for the best.
Yeah. We'll have to try all kinds of countries' candies.
We should do a Tony's taste test. They have quite the array of chocolate bars.
I do.
Yes!
Mm.
Okay, so like this video if you would like to see some Tony's chocolate trying. Alright, I'm gonna zap.
Sneak preview.
Sponsored by.
Sponsored by.
Not yet.
Also, make sure every Sunday to go join our stream. Last time,
Not one person joined.
Missing the goods.
Yeah,
we
it's
played
pretty
a walking simulator.
And it was really fun.
Can you believe that?
No, shocking.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and now I'm gonna stop us all out. So why don't you say bye before I do that?
Bye.